Hello friends. Today, how are you? Today I'm super excited because I'm gonna be graduated in preschool. So friends, I'm gonna make a graduation gown and a graduation hat. Oh, I forgot something. A graduation degree. So friends, let's start with the graduation hat. For the hat, we need stapler, glue, yarn, and scissors, and this colorful and the black papers. Let's start. That like this. Roll it and both sides staple it. After staple it, it will look like this. Four door patterns outside. Apply some glue on it. Then stick it. Make a hole center of the hat. How's I'm looking? Now we'll make a degree. Take a white paper and paste it on the tissue paper roll. Now paste ribbon on the roll. This is my pretty degree. Now it's time for gown. For the gown, we need black trash paper and a orange tape and a tape. Oh, it's a transparent tape. And a scissor. For the gown, I need my mom's help because it's little tricky for me. Fold the trash bag. Cut it off from the red lines. After cutting, it will look like this. subscribe, like, and share for more fun.